Tens and ones, comparing practice 2. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice how to compare numbers in the ones and tens place value. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Remember, when comparing numbers, we are going to use 3 different symbols. We'll use greater than, less than, or equal to. When we use greater than or less than, it always points to the smaller number, and the mouth is always open to the bigger number. Let's practice. With these practice problems, you may follow along on the handout. If you don't have the handout, you only need to write the symbol. So let's begin. Our first number is 91, which has 2 digits, and 19, which has 2 digits. Both of these numbers have a 9. Both of these numbers have a 1. But we will only look at the first number. The first digit is 9. The first digit here is 1. 9 is bigger than 1, so 91 is greater than 19. Well done. Here we have 54 and 63, both of which are 2-digit numbers. We'll look at the first number in both of them. 5 is less than 6. 6 is the bigger number. So it will point to the 54. 54 is less than 63. Well done. Here we have 21 and 18. 8 is the biggest digit out of all of these, but we don't care about the second digit. We always want to look at the first one. We have a 2 and a 1. The 2 is bigger than the 1, so we say 21 is greater than 18. Nice job. Our next one, 78 and 49. Again, they both have 2 digits. When both numbers have the same number of digits, we look at the first number. We have 7 and 4. 7 is bigger than 4, so 78 is greater than 49. Well done. Our next one, 43 and 43. They both have 4s in the tens place. They both have 3s in the ones place. These numbers are equal. Nice job. Here we have 61 and 22. 61 is a 2-digit number. 22 is a 2-digit number. We'll look at the first digit. 6 is bigger than or greater than 2. So we'll say 61 is greater than 22. Well done. Next, we have 55 and 85. If you notice, both numbers have a 5 in the ones place, but we don't care about the ones place. We're going to look at the tens. The first digit, there's 5 and there's 8. 8 is bigger than 5, so we'll say 55 is less than 85. Remember, it points to 55 because it is the smaller number. Next, we have 28 and 19. Both of these numbers have 2 digits. I see that there's an 8 and a 9. 9 is bigger than 8, but remember, we don't care about the ones place. Instead, we're going to look at the tens. There's a 2 and a 1. 2 is bigger than 1, so we'll say 28 is greater than 19. Here we have 6, and then we have 60. 6 is a 1-digit number. 60 is a 2-digit number. Both of these numbers have 6's, but 60 is bigger because it has 2 digits. If a number has more digits, it is always bigger than the other number. So 6 is less than 60. Well done. Our next one, 72 and 81. Both numbers have 2 digits. We'll look at the 7 and the 8. 8 is larger than 7, so we'll say 72 is less than 81. It points to 72 because 72 is the smaller number. Well done. Next, 36 and 24. They're both 2 digits. We'll look at the first digits. 3 is bigger than 2, so 36 is greater than 24. Our next one, 78 and 78. They both have 7's in the tens place. They both have 8's in the ones place. These numbers are equal. Well done. Just a few more left. 81 and 47. They both have 2 digits. We'll look at the first digit in the tens place. 8 is bigger than 4, so we'll say 81 is greater than 47. Well done. Here we have 17 and 8. 17 is a 2-digit number. 8 is a 1-digit number. So 17 must be bigger. 17 is greater than 8. Well done. Our final problem, 21 and 60. Both of these are 2-digit numbers. We'll look at the first digit in the tens place, 2 and 6. 6 is bigger than 2, so we'll say 21 is less than 60. Well done. In this lesson, we practiced how to compare numbers in the ones and tens place value. Thank you for following along.